There are many treatments of treating acne or pimple scars or depressions left after the severe attack of acne, which usually people get at the age of 16 or sometimes even later in life. They get acne a lot, and then sometimes a delay in treatment or uh, improper treatment leads to acne getting too large. And when acne heal, they don't heal normally. They leave a lot of depressions, which we call in medical terms an atrophic scar. Atrophic scar means a scar which has lost its entire support structure, and that is why it collapses, and this leads to acne scars or depressions for what we see commonly. What we do, we use a three-step approach in the treatment of acne scars, which helps in a big way for the patients who want treatment for the acne scars. Now, I must warn you that these treatment of acne scars won't remove them 100%. They will remove them to an extent of 60 to 70%, and that is the maximum you can achieve. But believe me, 60 to 70% improvement is a way bigger improvement than you can ever see in an acne scar or a pimple scar or depression treatment. Okay, so what we use, a method one, which is called as subcision. Now, subcision has been around for a long time, and it is generally used for a scar which is called as a rolling scar. In a cross section, as you can see here, a rolling scar is a depression on the skin, and the main reason this depression arises because of improper healing of the acne, and this leads to these fibers hanging from the skin to the adipose tissue, and we need to cut these fibers in order to release the tension and relieve some of the depression which causes the acne scar. So what we do is that we use a no-core needle or a 18 gauge needle to cut down these fibers, and on cutting down on these fibers, this leads to flattening of the scar. Okay, that is one of the methods, which is called as subcision. Now coming to method 2, which is quite popular, it is derma roller or a CO2 fractional laser. Now, derma roller is sort of a cold treatment, and CO2 fractional laser is kind of a hot treatment. The reason for this is, in derma roller we don't use any heat per se, but in fractional laser, like CO2 or RBMA, we use a heat as well, because it is in the function of a laser that it produces heat in the surrounding tissues. Now, both have their advantages and disadvantages, but for all intents and purposes, I won't discuss into too much deep of it. I will discuss how they work in a major way. Okay, so in a scar of acne, represented here in the one, we produce a lot of uh, let's say microscopic incisions. These are like needle punctures on a very superficial part of the skin. What it does basically is that these incisions or punctures uh, cause the collagen deep below the skin to remodel and lay parallel to each other rather than in a haphazard manner, which had been earlier in the case of badly healed acne. And this leads to an elevation in the scar because healing occurs at an upper level. So this is one way by which we tackle the acne scar. Then is another type of scar which is actually known as an ice pick scar, where the mouth of the scar is quite small, but it is way more deep than the diameter of the scar at the opening. So what we do is that we use a chemical called as trichloroacetic acid in a concentration of 70 to 100%, and apply it with the help of toothpick on the base of the scar, so that it all fuses down and resulting in a short contraction in the opening, contraction of the scar, which leads to a magnificent cosmetical outcome. These are the few patients which are treated by acne scars. You can see she is having a lot of scars in this region, and here you can see the scars have been quite healed up. This is after the third session of combination of about three methods what I just said. This is again a combination of sessions after four sessions: the derma roller, subcision, and the TCA cross. This is a photograph showing in a oblique lighting what a rolling scar looks like. This is a rolling scar, and we cut down by subcision, which leads to a parallel, leads to a parallel laying down of collagen, cutting down of the fibers, and this is the result what we get. This is again the same patient. This is kind of a difficult scar because it has lots of multiple microscope small scars and a big valley type scar. We had to do multiple sessions of derma roller, subcision, as well as TCO cross to achieve this kind of result. This was after the 5th or 6th session of the acne scar. What we do, how frequently the sessions are done? Sessions are done every month, and the most important thing for a patient to remember is that you will be given a sunscreen, which is very important during the procedure, because you will have to use it every 3 hours, starting at 9 o'clock in the morning, repeat application at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So that is what you will be required to do, but in general you will get 60 to 70% of the improvement. Thank you. This has been a video informing acne depressions and the treatment of the same.